What's up everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a trade I took pre-market. This isn't my typical kind of trade. I want to show you all what I've seen. This is on futures, but before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to point out this was a bounce off VWAP. This is an indicator I use, and this red indicator that you see here. Occasionally I will scalp off the VWAP, but it has to look something like this. Let me show you what I've seen here. This was my entry point right at this 433. I got a good feel on this. I want to say this before I continue on. When you're taking these VWAP bounces, be patient. Let it get all the way to it. Do not enter early on these. I've had that come back and bite me before. But anyways, I got in down here at this 433.25 area. I like the confluence you can see back here. If you look to your left here where my cursor is, you can see a nice area of confluence. We had a nice push up, come up, tested prior day close. The seller stepped back in, pushing us back down towards VWAP. I want to see us come back down there, pick up some orders for a small scalp. Anytime I take a VWAP bounce, it is a scalp. Typically, 3 points to me is considered a good scalp. And that's exactly what we got here. We had a move up to 4,037. I caught roughly 3-point bounce off this trade. Had one runner. And I stopped out at break even when it pulled down here. It worked out nicely, but again, this isn't my typical trade. Let me show you better setups, what I look for when trading futures. Just let me zoom out here. Let's go to the hourly time frame. You can see this a little better on the hourly time frame. See, I like trading supply and demand when I'm trading the futures. And if you don't have a futures trading account, check out Apex in my link. I'll leave it in the description. It's funded accounts. But anyways, this was a zone I had on my weekly watch list that I release every Sunday on my YouTube. But I just want to point this out here. See, if you're looking to catch more of a longer trade, you don't like scalping, you've got to wait on this supply and demand. Like right here, your entry when you're trading futures should be at the either wait till you break back out or enter at the top of supply. That's what's worked out best for me. You can be patient. Yeah, you can see here we didn't quite make it to top of supply. It's quite a big range. It's okay if you miss trades, It happens to everyone, happens to me often, but if you can be patient enough to wait on that sniper entry, it's going to pay you in the long run. If you're trading funded accounts, this is not doable. You can't enter at the bottom of a zone this big, then add to it at 420. You're going to lose your account. You want to stay away from that. Be patient. But yeah, that's basically all I had for this video. I want to kind of give you my thought process, walk you through some things I like to see. And that trade was a little bit unique to me. I haven't taken many VWAP bounces lately, but it worked out. A nice scalp. I'm up nicely on my account this week, my futures trading account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.